Let's go through LeetCode number 216, combination sum 3. And for this question, we need to using the number from 1 to 9 and to select k numbers from 1 to 9, and we'll have those number to be sum up to n. This is our target, and find all of the combinations. So let's say for 1 to 9, that is our subset. We can add 1 to it, and when 1 is added to it, we can add 2. That is 1, 2, until we add blah 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 to 1, 9. Those kind of different subset, right? Actually, we can, when we add the kind of subset, if the size is already greater than k, we can just trim those kind of size, right? Then backtrack, and here that will add 1, 3, right? So we don't need to add all of that. K numbers. K, what's the k range? And k, I think because the k, each number can be used at most once, I think k should smaller than 9. So we can have exit conditions that k is smaller, greater than the size greater than k. We need to exit. And the another condition is that we need to sum to n. So when this is sum, for example, we have a target from n. When this is smaller than greater than 0, we also need to exit. So this kind of will also be another exit condition. We can trunk our tree. So for this kind of then if it equals to this sum equals to n, we just add the list of those passed to our result. For every number for our set, it can have the choice to be selected or unselected, so it will be 2 power nice different combinations. So let's begin to write code for this. We have list integer result equals new array list. We'll have DFS, right? So it will have, let's start from 1, right? And we end at 9. So for this 9, even we don't need to put that here because that's constant. And we will have size k, right? And also we have remain that is n, and a new array list integer as a pass, and also result, just a return result. Private void we'll have a DFS int index, right? And the int k, and int remain, right? And at least the integer as pass, right? And also we have a list integer result, right? So we'll have this if pass dot size greater let's do this. We have 2 kind of exit conditions. For example, if the remain smaller or equal to 0, we'll exit just return, right? So let's say if remain equals 0, we'll add the result add new array list pass. And we also can truncate our result is that is if this pass size is already greater than k, we can also return, right? And we just for loop for int I equals index I smaller equal to 9, right? And I plus plus, and we'll have a pass add I pass remove pass the size -1, right? And each number can use at most once. If this one remains 0, if it remains 0, we also need to have the pass dot size equals k, right? Because we can otherwise it does not meet our result as well. So DFS I plus 1 k remain minus I pass result. So let's take some other 3, 9. Okay.